So guys, can you solve this indicial equation? Wow, usually we're a beginner. This question looked kind of hard and scary, but it's actually very, very simple. You won't believe that. How we solve this equation is just by using that our brilliant idea that we have engraved into our head. Be like, how can we use that here? We have V and we have X. Don't mind, don't bother. Our main aim is that we don't like powers generally, okay? We have to eliminate the base and all that. We don't like power. We need to make it linear, okay? And how can we make it linear is by using that same idea that says that whenever you have equal base like this, then their power must be the same. X must be equals to y. Okay, that's the idea of indicial equation. When they have the same base, their power must be the same. So we're going to use that idea here. It means that we're going to simplify this. We're going to shrink it, simplify it, and make it have just one base and a power. We can do that easily because, of course, the bases are the same, v. Just simplify them, combine to just one. Then we can now equate their power, as simple as that. So what I'm going to do now, the problem now rather is, how do we simplify this? That is the problem. How do we simplify this? Now, first of all, we have fourth root. So this is not 4 root. Please, that 4, this 4 you're seeing is inside this place. So it means fourth root. Okay. So now we have root here. What are we going to do? Let's try to simplify this root first. Okay. Don't forget from that law of indices that whenever you have a root, okay, a root can be converted to a fractional power. So that will be a to the power of 1 over b. So a root like this can be converted to a fractional power. This nth root, bth root, converted to 1 over b as a fractional power. We're going to do that, use that same idea here. So here we're going to have, instead of fourth root of, we're going to have v to the power of 5 over what? 4. V to the power of 5 all over 4. Or breaking it down, we can just say v to the power of 5, okay, then all to the power of 1 over 4, because these roots convert to a fractional power 1 over 4. So 5 times 1 gives us 5 all over 4. So that's how I got this. Then times v to the power of negative 1 over 4 all over v to the power of 2 over 4. Yes, one problem eliminated. What's the next thing again? We have to join this numerator. We have to combine it together, right? Now, according to the law of indices, when you're multiplying, they have the same base. We're going to add the power. So here we're going to have, we'll pick one base, then we'll say 5 over 4, then plus negative 1 over 4. So we still give us minus 1 over 4. Then all over v to the power of 2 over 4, right? We're still simplifying this. We have no business with this for now. So when we subtract this, we're going to have, so let's do it here. We're going to have v to the power of, since they have the same denominator, 5 minus 1 gives us 4 all over 4 to the power of v divided by v 2 over what? 4. So 4 cancels 4 gives us 1. So that therefore we'll be left with v to the power of x equals to, since we have 1, v to the power of 1, we have v to the power of 1 all over v to the power of 2 over 4. Yes, we're almost there. We have combined this. It now remain these two. Don't forget, we also use the division law of indices. When you are dividing, they have the same base. We're going to subtract their what? Power. So here we're going to have equals to v to the power of 1 minus 2 over what? 4. So 1 minus 2 over 4 gives us what? 2 over 4. That will give us half, right? Give us half. So therefore, v over x will be equals to v to the power of 1 over 4. 1 over 2 rather, that's half. Now, what is the easy way of subtraction that I have to do with 1? Just imagine it this way. 1 minus 2 over 4. To make 2 over 4 complete a whole, what is the remaining part? 2 out of 4. For it to make a complete whole, must remain 2 out of 4. So that means 1 minus 2 out of 4 will give us 2 out of 4. That would make it combine to give us 1. And 2 out of 4 gives us 1 over 2. So that's another tricky way to do subtraction that would be with 1 and a fraction. So here now, finally, I've arrived at this, okay? We have the same base, therefore, the power x must be equals to 1 over 2. The power must be the same, must just be the same, right? 2 to the power of 3 equals to 2. That means the power must also be 3. Since 2 and 2 to the power of 3 must give you 8 at the right-hand side. So that's just the basic law. X equals 1 over 2. If you watch this far, please subscribe to my channel. Very, very important. So you can learn cool stuff like this and this subtraction, and as a way of supporting my channel. If you have a question, let me know in this comment section, or you have a question for me to work with, drop it in the comment section. So till I come your way next time, bye bye.